If you can play a few chords and you're in church and you play in church and you're lost and you're guessing, you're trying to figure out what it is that you're playing, in this video, I'm going to help you to get on the right path so you can stop guessing, so you can know exactly what you're playing and why you're actually playing it. You don't learn numbers by memorizing theory. You learn numbers by memorizing sound. I'm going to give you 3 sounds to recognize. And after we've learned those and you take your time and memorize them, you will have touched every note on the major scale, and that's going to put you far ahead of where you already were if you're struggling to know what it is that you're actually playing. So we're in the key of C. So the first step is to find the 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 1. 1 is the sound of rest. It's like home base. Is where we start, is where we finish. So 1, that is how you find what key we're in. That is how we know how to start a song, and it's how we know how to finish a song. The 1 is the most important note and tone of the scale, all right? So what I want you to do, now one thing we like to do is identify our chord progressions in the form of numbers, but here's what we can do. First, let's go over this 4, 6, 5. 4, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 5. So in the key of C, the 4 is the F, the 6 is the A, and the 5 is the G. So play that over and over. 4, just the left hand. 6, 5. So now I want you to sing it. And if it's too low or too high, just go up or down an octave. 4, 6, 5. 4, 6, 5. Now let's do 6, 4, 1, 5. 6, 4, 1, 5. 6, 4, 1, 5. Now let's do 7, 3, 6. 7, 3, 6. 7, 3, 6. And let's do a bonus. 2, 5, 1. 2, 5, 1. So if you take those 4 chord progressions, 4, 6, 5, 6, 4, 1, 5, and then 7, 3, 6, 7, 3, 6, 2, 5, 1, 2, 5, 1. That is going to put you ahead and going to help you follow music and know where you need to go. It's going to be a big step ahead. Another very, very important tone of the scale is the 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 5 sounds like pressure. It sounds like pressure right before we release or rest to go home. So 5. And then we land on the 1. So that 5, so happy birthday to 5 you. So that 5 is pressure, and depending on how old you are, when you hear that, that's the 5. Okay, and then land on the 1. So that 5 is really, really important, all right? So that's a good way to identify the 5. Remember, the 1 is rest. So if we're in the C major scale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 1, the 1 is rest, 5 is tension before you get to the 1, and then go and listen, play the 4, 6, 5, 4, 6, 5, play that over and over and sing it while you play it, and then the 6, 4, 1, 5, 6, 4, 1, 5, and then 2, 5, 1, 2, 5, 1, 736, 736. Do that over and over and just really think about the 1, really think about the 5. And that is going to allow you and put you so far ahead and allow you to hear what you're playing. That is like a really big step to help you really fully understand and listen to and know what's actually going on in the music. Now listen, if you want more in-depth training from me, weekly, you can start off with a $1 7-day trial. And this is no confusion. It's very simple. I keep it very simple so you can build your confidence every single week. It's a program called Gospel Piano Made Simple. Okay. If you want more in-depth coaching from me personally, whether it be group coaching or one-on-one coaching, I'll be happy to do that too. We can get on the phone, click the coaching link below. We'll book a phone call and see how I can help you better. All right. I'll see you next time.